Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. Today it's Wednesday. So what's really happening? We saw the market reverse yesterday. So that was actually not really bad. So let's see what's really happening on the economic news. We have some few economic news. Let's see. Today we have interest rates from Canada. You can see that. It's Wednesday around 4 o'clock here. We have that is the only, no, it's not the only one. Around 4 o'clock also on the US, we have services PMI. This will move, especially on gold. This will make the market seriously move that much. But interest rates actually will push Canadian stuff like USD, CAD, JPY, CAD, CHF, all those things, right? So on Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Another one, it's on Friday, unemployment change. So not really that much and not really aggressive. So before we continue, let me show you how I actually send the signals. For those who wants to join, actually, guys, I started to realize that the viewership is growing up very slowly, and I can see most people actually who watch my videos are locally. So what I'm going to give you here, guys, I know days before we had another special, but let's go back on another special again. So this is going to be for everyone who is actually watching our videos non-stop. I know once I post this, everyone's just going to say thank you, Kenzo123. So I'm also saying thank you. Join. This is actually a 12 months $39 VIP signals. You pay once, then you're done, right? So let me show you how we send these signals. You can see this is what I actually sent yesterday on gold. I said the market will be going down. Actually, I also sent the screenshot. If I feel like I have to send that, I can send that. So you can see it's a sell stop there. So another ones you can see it's what? It's Euro USD also. I think we had a sell stop there. I did not really take much of the trades because I took some loss actually. So you can see how we actually send these signals. I hope you can see that. I hope this is going to be way too clear on your side. So this is how we send. So my member here is actually 109 members. So be part of the team. I hope you can be part of the team for actually $39. This is just limited, guys. This is limited. It's not going to be forever. So it's going to be limited. Just let me know. Then I will tell you actually. You can check the description for my WhatsApp link and also for maybe my contacts, something like that. Then you can just talk to me there. So what's really happening on the market? I'm just doing this video very quick, guys. The power will be going off around 8. So it seems like we left with 15 minutes. So I'll just make sure that I go as fast as possible. So on the daily time frame on Gbpusd, the market is still playing actually around this support area. So what's really happening? Yeah, I thought maybe the market will just do the same thing as Euro USD yesterday, but it seems like nope. The market on this one, it's ready to do what? To push to the upside. You can see the market did not even touch this support. Then it seems like it's ready to actually push to the upside. Do you see that? It seems like the market is ready to push the upside. And if it does that, it's fine. It's fine because we also want to continue actually buying. I think from this area, it's fine. I want a color that is visible, like way too visible. Yeah, I think this one is fine. So yes, I'm waiting for the market to do what? I think already the market is showing us that it's going to bounce back. We can see on top there that the market was respecting this resistance. So let's go on a 4 hours time frames for you to see that. But what I like is we've been tracking this structure for quite some time now. So I expect you to understand what's really happening. So you can see what we have here. Actually, we're supposed to have a quick a buy there. But once the market reaches this area of resistance, we have to know that, you know what, there is enough chance that the market can bounce back there. there is enough chance that the market can bounce back here, as the market did even before. The market did bounce back around this resistant area. So if we buy, it's gonna be like a hit and run, but the best buy is gonna be going to be when the market start to break out of that. So we're going to actually continue buying. Simple as that. So we're going to continue buying, but for now we are still under this wedge structure. You can see that. So there is a chance for the market to break, because we already saw that actually on Euro USD the market already broke out. So maybe there is also a chance for the market to do that here on Euro USD. So on Euro USD here, let's see, maybe on a daily, maybe we can get something. Yeah. So let's do this. Auto. You can see the market was playing on our support area. Then let's try to zoom. You can see that this is a very nice structure. But guess what? You can see that yes, the market has been breaking. Obviously, we were expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. What we see here is just obvious. The market is getting out, which means we might start to see a downtrend. But I can say, even if maybe we took a sell there, it might still be early just to say the market will continue like that. After a retest, it means we can just wait for a retest. We had a sell there. The market seems to be trying to reverse, but it was in a smaller profit. So maybe the market will try to create a retest before pushing lower, or maybe the market can then continue to push the upside. For those who don't know, this week, guys, actually last week the market was moving very nice. It was pushing up or down. So there are other weeks where the market start to do what? Start to correct itself. So when that happens, you don't just have to be in or on the road, or on the road of the market, or in the way of the market, because the market will crush you. So you should know that there are those weeks where the market will break, try to push back. Actually, it's like the market is trying to retest, or to reset, not to retest, to reset some of this move before we start to see a proper move. If it's a downtrend, we're gonna see that nicely. If maybe the market wants to continue to the upside, we will still see that. But mostly there are other weeks where the market will move very nice. Guess what? The market start to do something like this before it take another direction. So you should know that there are those weeks where the market will start to confuse us, right? I hope you understand that. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame. So this week, I think, is that week where we're gonna see some breakouts or retest. So mostly it's not really a good week to trade, because even though we broke out, we don't know if maybe the market will be, we can see that the market is pushing up. So the thing is, the market might still come here and retest, or the market might continue pushing to the upside, which means this was just an adjustment of the trend. So we have to be careful just to go all in. So it's better to understand this. So let's push to the next one, guys. So I'm still actually looking for that downtrend on EURUSD. I'm looking for the downtrend, as the market is already showing us that it's breaking out. Maybe the market will continue doing what? Pushing lower. But we have to be extra careful just to jump all in. So let's push to the next one. Which is actually gold. Yes, this is actually what also happened on gold yesterday. Very nice structure, by the way. The market has been pushing up very nice. We've been also buying for quite some time, and after this this simplest move that we had, just look what started to happen. The market started to consolidate. We had a breakout, so we also had a sell, smaller profit there. But it seems like the market wants to do what? It seems like the market wants to push up again. If we adjust this here, you can start to realize that maybe the market wants us to respect that. But we are still not really 100% sure, but it seems like that is the same area, quite similar area, the same as before there. So which means we can wait for the market to push up. We will see if maybe the market will retest there, push lower, or maybe the market will continue pushing up, or maybe the market will respect this and start to push lower and lower, something like that. You see, that is possible. So that's why I'm telling you that the market is doing what? It's adjusting. Is that week where the market will just create some breakouts, some confusion actually in the market. And I know lots of accounts, or so many accounts are blown around these areas. Some they just going to, oh, I know it's gonna push back again, and it keeps pushing lower. Or you say, oh, maybe it's gonna keep pushing lower, then it just does the opposite. You say, oh, it's gonna push lower, and it just start to push the upside. And you start to ask yourself that, oh, I thought maybe this thing was maybe on a downtrend. Yes, you thought wrong. The market was just doing its thing. So yeah, don't forget, guys, to join the team for $39. This is it's actually limited special. Just to say thank you. I can see there's people who actually seriously support me on the channel. So if you're ready to eat, join the team. So what's really happening on US30? We can easily see that, yeah, we are still actually on that uptrend. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. We are very closer to 8 o'clock, and we're gonna have that load shedding. So not really bad thing, we already used to that. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? Is still pushing to the upside. You can see that. So here is just a smaller reversal, quite similar to here. Then the market can still continue, you see. So I'm expecting that. If not, maybe the market might even maybe touch our support if this reversal is aggressive. We know that Chinese economy is not performing very well, but it's trying to bounce back. That also has an effect actually on US stocks. So what I see here is maybe the market will even touch our support. It's possible, maybe before pushing to the upside, or maybe the market already, we have a sort of a support there. Let's go closer there. We have something like a support. Maybe the market will find something there, and from there maybe the market will start to push the upside. Yesterday I thought maybe I should have a buy around this area, but hey, I thought about this area as a resistance. Yes, the market did push to reach this area, but now this diagonal structure was effective because I can see that the market respected that. So this was not proper support. Now we can see that the market is creating sort of a wedge structure. So don't just jump on the market. The market can still create something like this and push to the lower side. It's possible, but we'll wait for this area to break out. But it's gonna be difficult for us to sell actually on an uptrend. So we just have to wait for the market whether to bounce back here, to break here. We're gonna buy here or here. So it's going to be up to us, or if it breaks, we have to wait and buy around that area. Why? We don't really want to go against the trend. We follow the trends. If the trend is pushing up, we also look for buy positions only. So let's push to the next one. We left with 4 minutes before the power goes off. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? Quite similar. Nothing changed much. There is nothing changed, guys. Still the same as before. We can still see that the market is still aggressively on this uptrend. But what's happening here is that area where I'm saying that the market is just trying to reset itself before it takes any decision. So which means the market will just try to consolidate here and there before we see a proper decision. So let's go on 4 hours time frame and see. So on 4 hours time frame, you can see we had a lot of lines there. So let me clear that. You can see that on Nasdaq, actually, the market did not really reverse that much. But this move here, it's crazy. What were you going to do? Buy or sell? Nothing. The market is just creating some crazy structures. So we just have to wait and see if maybe the market is going to respect this area. It seems like it's respecting that. Or maybe this area. Or maybe the market is ready to reverse to push the lower side. Remember, this is that week where the market is going to confuse. The move are quite different from this, and this. You can see this. So you have to understand that when you see this week, when you see these days, stay out of the market, or maybe you want to just donate your money. You might be lucky this time, but when it happens next time, it's just going to kick you like seriously, like very bad. So stay out of the market for now. Let's wait for the market to open. Maybe it will give us a proper structure. Maybe the market will respect this area before pushing up. What I know is the market is still actually on an uptrend, which is something good. So which means we're still going to, we're not really that confused. We just have to wait for the market to do its thing before we continue with our journey of buying. So don't forget to join the team, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'm just trying to actually send this video very quick. For my contacts there, you can see, you can post the video, you can see there on this pamphlet. You can see the normal pricings there, $80 6 months and stuff, but we're giving you proper stuff for now by $39, only $39. You can be part of the team. So thank you very much. Plus it's limited, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.